Hey guys, welcome back. In this chapter we're going to translate our 2D lines into 3D shapes. But first let's set up some layers. We can simply duplicate the layer, our 2D layer, like the trick we used before in the previous chapter. And simply call it 3D. So we have all the layers already set up. Now let's start with the ground floor and let's make our outline the previous layer. Okay. Also, let's turn off our walls and our columns so they don't get in the way. Okay. So let's select our lines and let's give them a thickness of 50 centimeters. I'm going to use the extrude curve command and I'm going to set the option solid to yes so we don't have to cap them afterwards. So here's the option. It's already set to yes. Simply give it a 50 centimeters offset. So I'm going to repeat that process for all the lines. As you can see, if you just hit enter again, you repeat the last command. So you don't have to type in the command in the command prompt every time. So it's pretty nice. Okay, what's next? The walls. So let's make our walls layer the current one. And let's also turn on our walls from the 2D lines. So for the height, I'm not quite sure. So what we can do is to turn on the first floor and then basically just snap to the first floor instead of typing a direction. And I'm going to lock the first floor so we don't accidentally move it. And let's select our walls. There's a simple trick. Just right click on walls and select the option select objects. That didn't work out well because of course the walls are in the 2D layer. So let's extrude our walls. We only are going to extrude the auditorium walls because the walls from the entrance area we're going to use the skin, which we'll model later on in the course. So let's simply select the auditorium walls and execute the extrude curve command again. So the direction is already set to the automatic Z. So you simply can just select a point on from the first floor, and you see the walls automatically got extruded. Let's move on to the columns. So let's turn on the columns and let's select them. Let's first select this row here. Let's first lock the outline so we don't accidentally select it again. And also let's make our columns layer the current one. So let's select this row here and let's execute the extrude curve command again. So same as before, you can simply snap to the first floor layer so the distance is automatically set. Okay, so let's take a look at the columns from the facade, from the entrance area. So let's select them and repeat the same procedure as before. So we can select these and these also. I think I have all of them. Yeah. So now you can simply execute the extrude curve command and snap them to the first floor layer like this. Okay, what's missing? I think we have everything from the ground floor. That's basically it. It's going to be the same procedure for the rest of the building. It's going to be pretty fast. Next chapter we're going to continue with the first floor. Please stick around.